Hi, I'm Diane Grover, Cosmetic Chemist trainer and assessor here with the Institute of Personal Care Science. Today I'm going to show you how to make a sensitive skin cleansing milk. Now let me show you just how easy it is. Today we are making this sensitive skin cleansing milk to very gently remove makeup, sunscreen and sebum from the skin. We will start with the water phase, and to that I will add some allantoin. Allantoin helps reduce irritation and redness which can occur when cleansing. Then I'll add some humectant. Humectants attract water and hold water on the skin surface, leaving the skin feeling hydrated and soft, not tight and stripped after cleansing. And since there is no heating in this formula, I can add my broad spectrum preservative now. I'm going to now pop that on the mixer on high shear before adding in the emulsifiers and solubilizers. While that's mixing, I'll add in my solubilizer. I'm using a very high HLB non-ionic liquid solubilizer, which is a high foaming mildness additive. And my superfatting agent, which offers emulsification and additional mildness. Once that's all combined together into a milky solution, I'll take that off and check and adjust the pH before pouring it off and leaving it overnight to settle. Now we have this beautiful cleansing milk, perfect for sensitive skin. See, and that's how easy it is to make a sensitive skin cleansing milk. If you like today's formula, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to receive notifications on videos just like this, or email us at info@personalcarescience.com.au for more free formulas. Happy formulating!